Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the volume of your Amazon speaker. Okay, so that's very simple. We got two methods. The first one, you can just make it with these buttons on the speaker, plus and the minus. Also, when you click each, you will find that this all the indicator just change. So that's how it looks on the highest volume level. That's very obvious, but if you want to use your phone or device, any other device, to adjust the volume level, you have to go for the Amazon application and go for the devices, select your speaker from the list, and then click on the volume. And as you can see right now with the slider, we can smoothly adjust the volume of the speaker, and that's basically how we can make it. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.